to Kitty's Craft and Ideas. If you like this video, please subscribe, like and share.
Hi friends, welcome to Kitty's Craft and Ideas. Today I am going to explain about eye model. This eye model I made with a balloon and I have drawn different parts of eye. Let's watch the video.
Eyes help us to see the world around us. A pair of eyes present within the eye sockets of skull. A flap-like eyelids cover the eyes. A lashes present on the eye protect it from the dirt. This is the model of eye. At first I introduced the parts of eye. Cornea, pupil, iris, lens, retina, optic nerve. Cornea, the thin transparent layer that covers the front of the eye. Iris, the round colored part of eye is present in behind the cornea. Pupil, the opening present at the center of the iris. The light enters the eye through the pupil. Lens, lens located just behind the pupil. Retina, the lining present behind the eye where light falls and image is formed. Optic nerve, message sent from the retina is carried to the brain from the optic nerve. These are the different parts of eyes and its functions. Thank you and have a nice day.
If you like my video, please subscribe, like and share and comment. So thanks for watching.